Good morning, students. Good morning, 6th standard. It's history period. Take out your books. We are going to study the lesson number 4, the Vedic civilization. Okay, we had already studied the more than half portion of this lesson, and now we have to start with religious ideas and political system. But before moving ahead, let us take a short look. Let us revise the lesson once again. Okay, the Vedic civilization. The Vedic civilization. The civilization that is based on Vedic literature is known as Vedic civilization. Okay, the Vedic literature. The most remarkable feature of the Vedic civilization is its rich and diverse literature. Literature means Sahitya, composed in Sanskrit. The Vedic literature consisted of the following: 4 Vedas. Vedic literature में क्या क्या आता है? 4 Vedas: Rigved, Yajurved, Samved, and Atharvaved. Okay. Then Brahmanas, Aryanankas, and Upanishada. Great epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Okay. Now the family. Joint family system was prevalent यानी प्रचलित होना in the Vedic period. The Grihapati was the head of the family. The family was patriarchal. Lopamudra, Gargi, and Maitreyi were great scholars. The position of women becomes secondary in the later period due to the stringent social restrictions. Now, day-to-day life. Most of the people lived in earthen or wattled and dumb houses. Houses were called Gruha and Shala. Their diet mainly consisted of cereals. यानी वो क्या खाते थे? Cereals like wheat, barley, and rice. They used cotton, woolen garments. They also used wool color clothes made from bark of trees. There were strings of flowers and beads and bead strings and golden ornaments. Nishka, a golden pendant, was popular. It was also used to currency. Singing, playing musical instruments, dance, and board games were the means of recreation. Recreation means entertainment. Their musical instruments were the veena, shatatantu, cymbals, conches, the damru, and the mridanga. Now, occupation. Occupation means vyavasai. Agriculture and animal husbandry were the main occupations of the Vedic people. The agricultural techniques improved later. The oxen were used to plow the field. Oxen means bell. Cows were used as a means of exchange. See, cows were used as a means of exchange. Means of exchange means what? वो cow देके उनको जो चाहे वो purchase कर सकते थे. The heroes were harnessed to the chariot. The increase in agriculture production led to the emergence of other occupations such as pottery, carpentry, and chariot making. Okay. The artisans and the professionals had their shrenis or guilds. Now, the Varna system, Varna Vyavastha. There were 4 Varnas or classes in the Vedic society. They were Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. The Varnas were based on people's occupation. लोगों के व्यवसाय के ऊपर ये वर्ण व्यवस्था आधारित थी. Later they were determined by birth. लेकिन बाद में वो birth जन्म के आधार पर हो गई. पहले व्यवसाय के आधार पर थी ना. This gave rise to the caste system and led to inequality in society. The ashram system. The ashramas were a systematic arrangement of an individual's life from birth to death. An individual was expected to go through 4 stages or ashrams in life. यानी हर एक व्यक्ति को ये आश्रम की 4 stages से जाना पड़ता था. And they were ब्रह्मचार्य आश्रम, गृहस्थ आश्रम, वानप्रस्थ आश्रम, and sannyas ashram. Okay. Now let us see from the book. Page number 18. Take out page number 18. See. Now religious ideas. In the religious ideas of the Vedic period, forces of nature such as the sun, wind, rain, lightning, storms and rivers were given in the form of deities. यानी ये सारे जो थे फोर्सेस ऑफ नेचर जैसे सन, विंड, रेन, ये सब है, इनको एज ए देवता मान के पूजा जाता था. Vedic compositions pray them to become life giving forces. The Vedic people put offerings into the yajna fire or to please them. और उनके लिए हवन भी किया जाता था, है ना, और उनको कुछ ऑफर भी किया जाता था. These offerings were called हवि. और वो जो ऑफर करते थे उनको यज्ञ में, उसको क्या कहते हैं? हवि कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? हवि. Initially the yajna rites were simple. Later on the rules of yajna became harder and harder. The importance of priest went on increasing. बाद में धीरे धीरे क्या हो गया, ये यज्ञ का जो विधि था वो पहले बहुत ही सिंपल था, लेकिन बाद में उसमें चेंजेस होते गए, वो अधिक अधिक कठिन होता गया और उसके लिए प्रिस्ट लगता था. तो वो प्रिस्ट का इम्पोर्टेंस जो था वो क्या हो गया, दिन ब दिन बढ़ता गया. People in the Vedic period had thought about how the natural phenomena occur. Natural phenomena यानी earthquake है जैसे, उसके बाद में tidal waves है, volcanic eruption and hurricane, storms, drought, all these are the example of natural phenomena. यानी ये किस तरह से होता है, उसके पीछे क्या रीजन है, ये बात ये लोग उसके बारे में सोचते थे. Summer is followed by the rainy season and the rainy season by winter. Summer के बाद रेन आता था, रेन के बाद में विंटर आता था. This is a regular cycle in nature. The cycle in nature and the life cycle that moved with it were termed by the Vedic people as Rita. और ये जो साइकिल थी उसको क्या नाम दिया था वैदिक पीपल ने? ऋतु. The life of all living beings is a part of the cycle in nature. Disturbances in the cycle of nature leads to calamities. अगर ये साइकिल कहीं ब्रेक हो जाती है या कुछ किसी वजह से डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है तो क्या हो सकता है? कैलामिटी यानी नैसर्गिक आपत्ति आ सकती है. Everyone should be careful not to let it happen. Nobody should break the laws of nature. It was believed that following these rules was to follow dharma. यानी ऐसे माना जाता था ये रूल्स का पालन करना मतलब धर्म को पालने जैसा है ना, मतलब धर्म जो है उसको एक्सेप्ट करके धर्म के जो रूल्स और रेगुलेशन है उसके तहत चलना जैसा होता है. नाउ पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम, राजकीय पद्धति. In the Vedic period, each village had a head known as Brahmini. Village के head को take a pencil in your hand and mark this, and mark this. In the Vedic period, each village had a head known as Brahmini. Village के head को क्या कहा जाता था? ग्रामीणी कहा जाता था. A group of villages form a wish. बहुत सारे ग्रुप मिलके विश जिसे कहते हैं वो फॉर्म होते थे. Whose head was called विशपति, और उसका हेड कौन था? विशपति. सेवरल विश फॉर्म अ जना. बहुत सारे विश मिला के क्या फॉर्म होता है? जना. ठीक है. लेटर व्हेन द जना सेटल्ड इनटू अ स्पेसिफिक रीजन इट केम टू बी नोन एज जनपद. द हेड ऑफ द जना वाज नोन एज नृप और राजा. जो लोगों का जो जनता का जो हेड था उसको क्या कहा गया है? नृप और राजा. The main duties of the king were to protect the people, collect tax and run the administration efficiently. इसकी मेन ड्यूटी क्या थी राजा की? प्रोटेक्ट द पीपल यानी लोगों का संरक्षण करना, टैक्सेस कलेक्ट करना एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन यानी राज्य कारभार चलाना. ओके. In order to run the administration smoothly, the king appointed various officers. The Purohit means priest and the Senapati of the army were officers of special importance. The officer who collected the taxes was known as Bhagtu. Bhag means share, and the person who collected the king's share of the produce of a jana was called Bhagdu. There were 4 institutions who guided the king: Sabha, Samiti, Vidhata and Jana. Okay. There were 4 institutions. ये जो 4 संस्थाएं थी वो किंग को गाइडेंस देती थी. कौन सी? सभा, समिति, Vidhat and Jana. Underline this sentence. The people of the state participation in their working. Women too participated in the working of the Sabha and Vidhat. The Sabha consisted of senior citizens. Sabha में कौन रहता था? Senior citizens, aged people, okay, of the state. Whereas the Samiti was the general body of the people. Later on in the Vedic thoughts, Smriti and Puranas were composed. After a period of time, the religious stream based on the Vedas, Smritis, Puranas, and local traditions came to be known as Hinduism. See, underline this sentence. Underline this sentence. What they said later on in the Vedic thought, Smriti and Puranas were composed. क्या कंपोज किया गया? स्मृति एंड पुराणा. आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, कुछ सालों बाद, द रिलीजियस स्ट्रीम, यानी धर्म का यानी धार्मिक विचारों का जो प्रवाह है वो किसके ऊपर आधारित है? बेस्ड ऑन द वेदास, यानी वेदा के ऊपर आधारित है, स्मृति, पुराण एंड लोकल ट्रेडिशंस. और इन सबको ही क्या कहा जा गया है? केम टू बी नोन एज Hinduism. Along with the Vedic stream, there were other religious trends which took a different position from the Vedic one regarding yajna rites and the varna system. Varna system means varna vyavastha. We will learn more about them in the next chapter. Okay, fine. Here our lesson is over, and now we are going to solve question answers exercise given on page number 19. Okay, see in the book. Women scholars in the Vedic literature. Name the following with reference to the lesson. Name the following with reference to the lesson. Women scholars in Vedic literature. Page number 16. Page number 16 में देखो. Lopamudra, Gargi and Maitri. Page number 16. Left side 4.2. Family system day-to-day life में देखो. फर्स्ट पैरा, जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम वाज प्रिवेलेंट इन द वैदिक पीरियड. वो जो पैराग्राफ है उसमें 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 नंबर की लाइन देखना. 11 नंबर की लाइन में लोपामुद्रा, गार्गी एंड मैत्री. There are references to women scholars such as Lopamudra, Gargi and Maitri. Note down these names: Gargi, Maitri and Lopamudra. Means of entertainment in the Vedic period. Means of entertainment, page number 16. Means of entertainment. See right side of the page. See right side of the page. And right side of the page and see last paragraph. Singing, playing musical instruments, dance, board games, chariot race, and hunting were the means of recreation. Mark this. This is the answer. Means of entertainment. Recreation means entertainment. Okay. Then the four ashramas, on page number 7. See Gruhastha ashram, page number 17. Page number 17 right side देखना. Page number 17 right side. Brahmacharya ashram, Gruhastha ashram, Vanaprastha ashram and Sannyas ashram. You will get these words in page number 17. You will get these words on page number 17, second paragraph. Third paragraph देखना. You will get all these words. Brahmacharya ashram, third paragraph, Grihastha ashram and Vanaprastha ashram and Sannyasa ashram in fourth paragraph. Read the para completely. Read those para completely. Okay. Brahmacharya ashram, Grihastha ashram, Vanaprastha ashram and Sannyasa ashram. Once again, see answer on page number 17. Right side में third paragraph and fourth paragraph, and you will get the answer. Okay, now right or wrong? Rigveda mantras uttered during yajna. False. क्या है वो? False. Then Samveda, guidance on singing a mantra during yajna rites. True. Okay. Atharva Veda, the Veda derived its name from Atharva Rishi. Yes, true. Right. Now, answer in one word each. The language of Vedic literature, Sanskrit. The language of Vedic literature, Sanskrit. Note down. Note down. Number 3. Answer in one word. Answer in one word. The language of Vedic literature, Sanskrit. The meaning of Ved means to know. To know. K-N-O-W. Then the head of a family, Grihapati. The head of a family, Grihapati. Then next number 4, the head of the Shreni, Shreshti. 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 Once again, I repeat the answer. The language of Vedic literature, Sanskrit. The meaning of which means to know the head of a family, Grihapati, and the head of Shreni, Shreshti. Okay. Now, name the following. Number 4. Question number 4. Name the following. Name the following. The musical instruments you know. The musical instruments you know. आप अपने मन से भी लिख सकते हो. You may write the answer on your own. Harmonium and guitar. Or whatever you like. Harmonium and guitar. Number 2. Two modern ornaments of women. Two modern ornaments of women. Bangles. Necklace. And number 3, today's means of entertainment. Today's means of entertainment, television. Number 3, television. Adventure sport. Adventure sports. Okay. Now, answer in short. Answer in short. What foods were included in the diet of the Vedic people? Go on page number 16. Go on page number 16. And what food were included? Na? Food were included. सी पेज नंबर 16 में लेफ्ट साइड में है. पेज नंबर 16 में देखो लेफ्ट साइड में द डाइट, लास्ट पैराग्राफ. द डाइट ऑफ द पीपल मेनली कंसिस्टेड ऑफ cereals like wheat, barley and rice. Note down this one and also go on right side of this page. And Vedic people relish means enjoy or delighted in milk, yogurt, ghee, butter, honey, black gram, lentil, sesame and meat were also a part of their diet. Up to this you have to write. Clear? Page number 16. Page number 16 में last para. Note down first sentence and go on right side. Right side में Vedic people वाला जो paragraph है, milk, ghee, yogurt वाला, वो लिखना है. Then next question. Why were cows priced highly? Okay. Page number 17. Go on page number 17. 17 में second paragraph. Second paragraph में cows were used as means of exchange. That is why cows were highly priced. See on the book. See on the book. Page number 17. 17 में second paragraph. Agriculture, animal husbandry जो है उसका second paragraph का second sentence. Note down that sentence. Okay. Second sentence and third sentence. Right. Then what was a man expected to do in sannyas ashram? Page number 18. See page number 18. 18 page number में है left side में third line. A page number 18 left side third line. The fourth stage was the sannyasashram. At this stage, the convention was to renounce all relations, lead life in order to understand the meaning of human life and not stay in one place. Up to this. Clear? Once again, I repeat. Question number 3, answer in short. Answer in short में what was a man expected to do in sannyas ashram? Go on page number 18. Page number 18 पे left side में third line में से complete answer लिखना है, complete paragraph. Okay. Now next, the religious ideas during the Vedic period. ये यहाँ पे देखो religious idea. Page number 18. पेज नंबर 18 में जाओ. In the religious ideas of the Vedic period, forces of nature such as the sun, wind, rain, lightning, storms, and rivers were given in the form of deities. Vedic compositions pray them to become life-giving forces. The Vedic people put offerings into the yajna fire to please them. These offerings were called havi. Okay, up to this. Havi, up to havi. Up to havi, you have to write the answer. Up to havi. Right? Now, next question. Houses in the Vedic period, no? Houses in the Vedic period. One more sentence you have to add in this answer. See, write short notes on the religious idea during the Vedic period. ये short notes में आपको और थोड़ा सा ऐड करना है. ये जो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ हमने लिखा है ना, पेज नंबर 18 पे जो है रिलीजियस आइडियाज, उसमें हमें हवि तक लिखना है. एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव टू ऐड द साइकिल इन नेचर. ये जो है, सी द राइट साइड ऑफ पेज नंबर 18. पेज नंबर 18 की राइट साइड देखो, उसमें 1 2 3 4 5th लाइन देखना है. 5th लाइन में द साइकिल इन नेचर अप टू रीता. रीता तक आपको लिखना है. विथ इट वेर टर्म बाय द वैदिक पीपल एज रीता. रीता, ओनली दिस वन सेंटेंस यू हैव टू ऐड और join with this paragraph. The cycle of nature and the life cycle that moved with it were termed as the Vedic people as Rita. Now next, houses in the Vedic period, page number 16. Page number 16 पे देखो, नीचे से दूसरा पैरा, लेफ्ट साइड, पेज नंबर 16, लेफ्ट साइड, नीचे से दूसरा पैरा. द हाउसेज ड्यूरिंग द वैदिक पीरियड वेयर अर्दन और वैटल एंड डॉग. ये जो पैराग्राफ है वो कंप्लीट पैराग्राफ लिखना है. गृह और शाला. अप टू दिस. ओके. Then next, political system in the Vedic period. I will send the answer of this question in group. Okay, I will send the answer of this question in the group. Here our question answers are over and period is also over, and we will meet once again in our next period with a new lesson, that is religious trends in ancient India. Okay, and your homework is that note down all the question answers or exercise in your copy of this lesson. Okay, I will send the answer of question number 3, political system in the Vedic period, in your group, as well as I also send some extra fill in the blanks, in the group, and you have to find out the answer and note down that fill in the blanks in your copy. With this, I also send match the pair. I also send match the pair of two questions of match the pair, and you have to solve it on your own. I will send the answer also, but first you have to try to solve it and then match your answer with the given answers. Okay, fine. Now period is over. Bye bye.